Hi, my name is Nelson Kubheka, creative director and founder of Omni Design, and the visionary behind the new Saxon spaces. Favorite part has been conceptualizing the spaces and working with the different craftsmanships, the different contractors and artists, and pulling everything together to form this vision that we have. So we wanted to create soft lines, creating more comfort spaces. We also took some of the lines from the architectural elements that we saw around the piano lounge and the bar areas, and we brought those lines into furniture and some of our ceilings. Our design approach was to celebrate and honor the past, tradition, the rich history of the Saxon through an authentic, sustainable, modern African design. We wanted to create a design that resembles longevity through careful considerations of finishes and materials. We looked at wood, stone, and luxury materials to tie in with the luxury of what the Saxon is all about. That has been one of the challenging elements, to try and create a more harmonious design that sort of integrates the past with the present and the future, but in a very harmonious way.